Good afternoon. It's, I don't know, a couple days after Christmas, and I was delivering some hay right before Christmas with a dump trailer, and my latches broke that hold the doors open, and this door opened up and it twisted the hinges around, bent that one in. So yeah, this is as far as the door closes now. So today we're going to be cutting off that hinge and welding a new one on. I don't know if this bottom one is bent for sure. Hard to say. I'll get this one cut off, weld it on, then we'll see what the bottom one is. Well, I got the door off with great difficulty. I think it's heavier than what it looks. Dropped it right on my toe. But I got it up here on the table and I'm going to cut this hinge off and we'll get it prepped. I got all my measurements for where the new hinge will go. And I'll get it all prepped and get the new hinge welded on. Shouldn't take terribly long. That didn't take very long to kill that battery. Let's see if we can. Well, that one broke loose. We gotta do a little bit more cutting over there. Smallest hammer. Oh, there we go. First up. You're okay, welder. You're okay. So we'll get this all ground out. Not too bad. That went way better than I thought it would. Yeah, on these dump trailers, you always want to make sure your doors are latched open. Quick and easy. And that will get welded on there. We'll get it squared up. So we're gonna get welded here, got it all measured out. Perfect. So I'll get my helmet on, get our welder set. Hope that we have a good ground. 50-50 chance we don't. Oh, we're gonna go with 18 for voltage and 265 for wire speed. I need a glove. I definitely put that somewhere. Let's give her a little techie tech. Oh, I didn't turn my helmet on. Oh. We don't got shit for the ground. Alright, well, we need to grind off the place for the ground. You gotta grind the paint off so the electric could flow through the metal. This is a positive charge, this is a negative charge, and where they meet is what's actually doing the welding. The wire is not wanting to flow. Come on. What's up? Lubrications on there. Take our magnet off. Just got it attached. Wire is not flowing. Look. Barely. Maybe he did hit the welder's guard. Alright, we're gonna do some fix it on the welder. Alright, let's try this again. Not going like I had hoped. Just letting the hot not come out good. There it comes out good. Pain. I'm gonna grind this all back down because this ain't doing nothing with it broken like that. Let's try this again. Can't be any worse than PJ's original welds. Well, that'll have to be good enough because my welder's getting fits. Let's see how this goes. Try to hang the door back up. We're gonna see if we can get this door on now. Let it cool down a little bit. Not the best welds I've ever made, that's for sure. But something there. These washers. Let's see how this goes. It's just all that coming. So that is still a little warm. And then just sort of fall. Stuck that washer in there. Alright, it started. Not great, but started. Get the washer in here. Well, now we'll get the washers in the top here. That won't fall. Looking good so far though. Oh, a little bit more. There's my 3/4. Use our drip punch, get her lined up. One. Oh yeah, this one's way off. Oh, come on. Get a pry bar. Get this where we need it. That's real good for the threads. Door shut. That's handy. Now we're just going to get the welded, get the latch welded on. Looks better than it did before. Sweet. We're going to get this welded here for our latch. This is just tedious work, but it's gotta be done. I'll get a little tack on there. Maybe it'll work. Looks pretty good. Worked a little bit. If I can get my wire to work. Man, my shield is dirty. Like we get 6 inches of good wire, and then about 2 inches of bad wire, and it just keeps failing it out. But that's welded on now. You know what the difference between a farmer and a welder is? A welder don't think he's a farmer. So we're gonna put this hinge together. Probably should have waited for it to cool down a little bit, but here we go. She's a little warm. We should have let this in there. I had it in there once. Alright. Now we just gotta press it through this washer. We'll see if she matches. She gotta go a little bit more. Works. Not too far through, really. Alright. Latch is on there. Better than it was, because there was no latch there before. That's why this is broke. But she's all fixed now. Sweet. Just gotta grease it up and she's ready to go. I should paint it as well. A new hinge and latch on the PJ dump trailer. My welds are not great because my welder was giving me all kinds of fits, but it will hold. So overall, it went all right. It wasn't that hard to do. It's just takes time to do it. Really didn't take me that long. It took me an hour, and I was not even working at it that fast. So that's about it. Short little video, maybe. But anyway, thanks for watching. And I just seen, as I was doing this on my phone, that we were over 400 subscribers today. So cool, thanks everybody. It's I don't really care how many subscribers I have, but it's fun. I like making the videos, and I like showing people how we do things here. So thanks for watching. Continue to watch, please, and subscribe and like some of our videos. All right, see you everybody. Thanks for watching.